Morning. Welcome to day 17, where Melissa woke up not feeling good. It's okay though. Still gonna show up as much as possible. And I'm gonna start with my ginger lemon shot because the celery juice is just not it for me. Start with that. So I have my shot glass, ginger and lemon. Pour it in here. Like, I for real feel sick and I don't know. We're gonna get through today. I'm hitting a rough patch here, guys. My baby has a tummy virus. Can't go to the gym because I can't take him in there. I'm not feeling good now. It's just, I'm gonna get through it. Good. Next week is gonna be a beautiful week, but I'm not gonna give up on this week. I'm still going to do as good as I can. Cheers. I'm gonna go ahead and make my shake. It's gonna be the same shake I have every day. I'm gonna do it in time lapse. Just don't get bored if you're watching the whole series. If you haven't watched the whole series and you're new, just go look at vlog 1. It explains like everything. So, but I'm gonna go ahead and make it now. Alright, I'm not going to take MELISA right now because I don't have a lot left, so I'm going to save it for tonight. But, oh, I'm not feeling good. But AJ's still dealing with his tummy virus, so I'm going to have breakfast, go hang out with the kids. It's going to be a very chill day for me. Ran to the store for the kitties and I saw these. I'm going to eat these as a snack. The delicious superfood snack that I'm gonna eat, y'all. Alright, so before I take Kamora over to her dad's shop, she has practice tonight. I am going to get some Greek yogurt, just a little bit, not a lot. And I'm going to get my protein bar. The caramel one has 20 grams of protein. These only have 13 grams. So how I'm gonna eat it is like that. I broke out from something and I don't know what it was, but oh, this is so itchy. But AJ's eating my yogurt. They didn't go to school, obviously. They didn't feel good. AJ's feeling a little better today, but he's still using the bathroom very frequently. So, hopefully in another day or two, he'll be back to normal. And I'm gonna just go take him more now. Y'all already know I'm gonna take these. I read the labels in yesterday's vlog. If you want to go back and watch it, if you didn't see it. Alright, I'm home. I don't know what is going on, but I am so itchy. I'm reacting to something. Might have been gum. I'm weird. I'm allergic to a lot of stuff. Anyways, to go do some EASTER stuff tonight. Go ahead and prep this stuff now, and I'll do it in fast forward. Okay, so I am about to some EASTER stuff. So I'm going to eat real quick with my husband. This is gonna be mine. It's gonna be his. I'm not really that hungry, but I need to eat something before I leave this house, or I'm going to go do something unnecessary and buy something while I'm out. He just got home from work, so he need to eat. So I did it in fast forward. This is kale, and I put sugar-free coleslaw and onions and green peppers. It's like a kale slaw salad. This, I roasted sweet potatoes and chickpeas. This is a black bean burger. He's going to eat this, and I'm going to eat this one. Hey beautiful people, I'm going to make my dinner shake and take a MELISA shot and start editing this video. Really late, I got caught up at shopping for EASTER stuff. I came home and started like doing stuff for AJ's birthday coming up. I need to have my dinner shake. I'm not even hungry, honestly, to get better with doing my second shake. I'm gonna have it now. To be strawberry, so I'm putting 2 scoops of strawberry cheesecake formula 1. And then I'm going to do 1 scoop of protein. 15th needs to hurry up and come so I can order product. And I really hope that these videos are helping you in some kind of sort of way. Ideas, motivation, inspiration, food ideas, shake ideas. Even though I do the same shake every day, I'm sorry about that. I'll start posting more recipes. I know I've paused on recipes for a while, but I'll start posting those again on my YouTube page. I always post recipes in my recipe book that I have for sale on Facebook. So if you want to purchase that, find me on Facebook. It's just my name, Melissa W. Gibbs, and I will help you with that in my recipe videos again, so I apologize. All right, I'm gonna pour my shake and take my post shot. That was my shake, and take my MELISA shot. It's almost done. I only have like 2 shots left, so today and tomorrow night, and then I'll just have to pause on MELISA until I get more. So cheers. It's 11 o'clock. She should be in bed. Go sleep. All right, that was day 17. I'm gonna go finish my shake and edit this video. The cat is on the counter. Say hi, Willow. You want to be in the vlog? Isn't she pretty? She is such a pretty cat. All right, now I am going to clean the counters again, edit this video, and go to bed. So I hope you enjoyed today. Sorry I was kind of off because I just haven't felt my best today. You know, I still shut up and did what I had to do the best I could, because that's the whole point of this vlog, right? Keeping it real with y'all and just show you like real life in and out. And that's that. So see you guys on the next video.
Bye bye.